Very few people can create a progress bar like this. In today's lecture, I am going to teach you how to make this type of progress bar. Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only VJ. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, you need to write the data like this, where I have given the title of the progress bar here. And here you need to type your task and you have written the progress here in this column. After that, the next thing we need to do is to first select the data points right here in this section and then click on the Home tab, where you will then set the text alignment to the left-hand side. Following that, while staying within that same Home tab, go ahead and click on the percentage option, and then proceed to click 3 times on the decrease decimal button to adjust the precision. After you have finished that, move over to the conditional formatting menu, navigate to the data bar section, and from there, we are going to click on the option for more rules. As soon as you click on more rules, a new conditional formatting dialog box will open here. Then from here, you need to select data bar, and after that set the minimum value to number and also set the maximum value to number. For the maximum value, you want to start from 1, and for the minimum value, you have entered 0. After that, you need to choose a color of your choice here. You can select any color you like. For example, let's say I have chosen red color here, and then we click on OK. After clicking OK, see here, if I type 1, it shows 1% here. If I type 25 here, it shows 25%. And if I type 85, it shows 85%. If I type 100%, it displays like this here. And if you want to change the color of this, like for 85% or 100%, you can click on the Home tab and change its color from here as well. Now, whatever value you type will automatically be converted into a progress bar here. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to easily create a progress bar in MS Excel. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.